uncertainty and confusion due to this second wave of pandemic, and you're just worried about what is going to be the next year of schooling for your child? Don't worry, here is a wonderful solution for you, coming up with an effortless, easier, implementable homeschooling program. So I'm here, Rohini, a certified Montessori teacher and a founder of KREOWLEDGE Early Education Center. I have come up with an homeschooling program for you exclusively, which is implementable just 60 minutes per day, whereby you can cross the academic milestone required for your child simply being at home, being safe. So what is it going to be? Let us see. So after working with for about like a year, already we have done with the homeschooling program, but up and down we found that a lot of parents were not able to implement. It was not much easier to do things at home. So what we did? We made a much simplified process in our homeschooling. So how much of time you have to spend? Just 60 minutes per day, which is going to help you to cross the milestone whatever the child is wanting for the particular year. And the second important point is, how are you going to implement that? My child does not work with me, my child is not cooperative, is not interested. Hey, don't worry. First, we will put you into a free orientation program, and second, we will put you into a 7 days preparatory phase, wherein which we are going to fine-tune yourself and your child to the natural frequency of learning, where you yourself will see a great transformation in the child, and then you will come up with a preparatory phase of homeschooling. So already the child will be ready to learn with that 7 days workshop. So don't worry on that part. We will take care of part of your child non-cooperative nature or not interested nature. So third thing, what we will be doing, we'll be giving you the curriculum books for the whole academic year, covering 3 concept-based book and 3 practice-based book and 10 theme-based book. But how are you going to teach all the concepts orally to them? That may not be highly effective. So what are we providing? We are providing a Montessori-based Practivity materials or toy boxes where you can take and make the child learn every concept practically. So you get a curriculum book and you get a Practivity materials wherein which you can teach the child. But how are you going to do that? That's where we are coming in. We come with a weekly activities sequential set scheduler, wherein which what are all the concepts we have to introduce weekly basis. So, and when you're doing it sequentially, you will be given instruction videos and demos, and an online live teacher support will also be given to you as well as for the children. So this is on the third level, we are providing it for you. So you are first put into a preparatory phase, then we will help the child to cooperate in the homeschooling process, then we are giving you the curriculum books supported with the Practivity toy boxes and with the teacher support. So what else will you be doing? You will just have to spend 60 minutes per day working with your child, helping them to cross the milestone for the coming up academic year. So what is that you have to do right now? Right now, click on the link below to join the free webinar on homeschooling process, and then you will come to know all of it. And once you join the program, don't forget to join the 7 days workshop. That is going to really prepare you and fine-tune you for the next academic year, not only for you, for your child as well. Thanking you.